Great. Hello, everyone. I'm Mikko Pallari from Epic Games. Can you actually see my presentation? Here we go. So today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Epic Games in general. I know probably most of you have heard of the company, but I will give you a little bit more insight into that. I will tell you about Epic Games Helsinki, how we got here, and what we are actually doing here. Online services, what sort of positions, what sort of people we are looking for, and if we have time, I can also tell you what sort of life we have at Epic. But yeah, let's start with Epic Games in general. Company founded already back in 1991 and has been working on game development ever since. Unreal Engine came to the picture early on and has been widely used since the late 90s. Nowadays, Epic is obviously most well known for publishing Fortnite, and that has really boosted the company's growth, and we have been investing a lot into different kind of services in the last 2-3 years, actually. Yeah, Fortnite was published 3 years ago, so that after that there has been a lot of changes. Recent services that we have been working with are the game store, which obviously a little bit of competition for Steam, and then Epic Online services that are developed in Helsinki, and I will tell you more about those soon. How did Epic Games come to Helsinki? The usual story, through an acquisition. So Epic Games acquired a Helsinki-based company called Kamu pretty much 2 years ago. Kamu was working on an easy anti-cheat software that was used by quite many first-person shooters, and obviously you can guess that Fortnite was one of the clients there. And after about a year of cooperation, the companies decided to combine their strengths and continue working together. Now, easy anti-cheat is something that we still work on and keep on developing it. Plan is to make it suitable for any game genre, any game platform, with the same philosophy as all of our online services. And a little bit more about those. Epic wanted to give something back from the success of Fortnite to the gaming community, and we realized that we have top of the art tools for online services that we have developed for Fortnite that we could relatively easily mold so that it would be available for anyone to use on any game, any gaming platform, any game engine, and so these are services that pretty much anyone who wants to build an online game needs, and we offer these services to anyone for free. So basic matchmaking, lobbies, peer-to-peer achievement stats, leaderboards, and all of this following the sort of like the Fortnite logic that players should be able to interact between each other platform independently. We also work on a new sign-on service, and yeah, online services are like developed in Helsinki mainly. Helsinki is the leading one. Next slide. So Epic Account Services is also something that we have recently published. So this enables players to sign into currently PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, Facebook, Google, and obviously Epic accounts with one single sign-on. And it will combine your friends and your achievements from all of those platforms into one single single united place, and help players in engaging with each others. So what do we do in Helsinki? What kind of people we need? Well, first of all, I know there are a lot of game devs and artists and such there on the lines. Unfortunately, we don't have any game teams in Finland or in Europe, actually. So all of our game teams are in North America. We focus on, like I told you before, but also in other European offices on game technologies more, but really exciting stuff, and currently the open positions are listed there. Technical producer for the online, web QA lead. We are building a QA team in Helsinki to serve our local teams. DevOps is half and half, serving the local teams in Helsinki and being a part of a global Epic team. Full stack web engineer, obviously. Web tech is what we do in Helsinki. And a technical account manager to take care of the European time zone clients on a technical matters what comes to integrating online services into their games or having their game on Epic Games Store. Probably more positions to come shortly. Yeah. If you want to join us, relocation support is really good, from financial aid to having someone help you with all the paperwork and finding an apartment and so on. We have really good healthcare insurances. We encourage people to take Finnish or English lessons depending on. And provide them as well in small groups. We have 45 people in Helsinki. We have really good healthcare insurances, and we encourage people to take Finnish or English lessons depending on in different nationalities out of groups. We have 40.
Mikko, we need to move on to the next session. So I'm going to now put up the counter.
Yeah, I will be at the stand later on, so see you there if you have any questions.